What's up, YouTube? It's AZ392. We're back in the new TRX. Today we're gonna go showcase what the TRX can do a little bit. We gotta go remove some emblems from the car that the dealership that we bought them from. They like to I don't know if you guys have probably bought a new vehicle. You know how the dealership is by putting their name on literally everything, every single inch of the car. They want to have free advertising. So we're actually going to go to a different dealership to remove the emblems. Chapman Dodge of Arizona. I really like the work they do. I think they have some good service. And they have like a whole open service bay where you can see they're going to let them do work on the car. It's not like hidden away. And we have a friend named Robert there. Really cool guy. Helps us out all the time. Every time we had a problem with the Jeep 392, instantly brought it to him. The dude fixed it up right away. Even parts that were taking forever to get in, he would get them in a week, fix it, detail the car for us. So we really support Robert on the channel. Up at Chapman Dodge. So if you guys ever have a broken down car, make sure to go see Robert and tell him I sent you. Maybe you guys can pull the turn out or just step it on it. He's gonna show you the inside. I mean, some of these features on the car are so cool. Which one are you trying to get to? That's fun. There's so much to learn just between the infotainment screen. I think me and my buddy in the car right now, I think this is probably one of the coolest features of the car. Just the built-in dyno. G-force too. Yeah, the G-force thing's pretty cool. And how it's showing the RPM.
Timers. Let's look at all this. 0 to 60 and incomplete. Wow. 4.6.
Doesn't say that.
And your last track. Let's drag. Look at all that.
What does it say? Best? I've never even done it before. Never even used some of these features. So guys, few questions for you. On the top of my mind, I do have to ask you guys. I ordered a 2023 Rubicon 392. No Xtreme Recon package, but let me know if you guys want it. I'll send you guys some photos of it if you guys are interested. You know where to contact me, dsluxurymotors@gmail.com. I think it's in at 87,000 brand new. You can take it like that. And I also want to ask you guys if it's a good idea, if you guys think I should order the new 2024 392. I'm really trying to hold off and see what the actual features are. I have a problem though. The electronic stuff, I feel when they start adding more electronic features, it actually hurts the car. And I want to see how the red interior looks in the 392s being standard in it.
That'll be cool.
You think so?
Yeah.
Cameraman saying that's cool. I want to know in the comment section if you guys want red only. Because think about it, if you get like the orange color car, are you going to want to have red seats? Probably not. So
Go get you a tint today.
yeah, we're going to get tinted today too. It's just getting way too hot in the car. If you guys live in Arizona, you will know. I mean, it is just almost
95 plus every day.
That logo into my arm if I touch it. I mean, it's not like horrible, but you can feel it first. So guys, we just got done at the dealership. Chapman Dodge, Jeep and Ram, Scottsdale. The only problem is that they don't really have too many nice cars. So we just met a nice man named Max. So if you guys aren't at Chapman Dodge, you guys can go look at Max too. They have no cool cars actually. We actually made a friend at the other dealership over here too, but out in the wild. And my recommendation though, I know you want a Bronco Raptor, I'm not gonna say your name or anything, but why wouldn't you take a 392 Rubicon XR? In my opinion, I'm taking that all day of the week, but we're gonna go check out that Bronco Raptor and see what we can do. Isn't it super cool?
It seems cool.
Refined.
Carbon fiber.
That's all like fun. Real video of themselves. That's what I want. I saw the price on it. Going for a quick bite to eat at Portillo's real quick. Pulled up in a TRX. So guys, we looked at a Bronco Raptor today. We had kind of a bad salesperson at the dealership. So I'm not gonna air it out too bad, but then I worked with someone who went well. Oh my God, if you can zoom in, there's a Tesla crash right up there. Look at that. Zoom in on that. Can you zoom in on that?
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
There's a cop over there too. I wonder what happened.
Where's the cop?
He's like in the
ditch.
Yeah, try recording that.
Oh my goodness.
So back to what I was saying. The Bronco Raptor is a cool car, but like the salesperson was trying to be like super pushy, like, oh, buy this car, it's the only one in the country. Like, man, I'm not gonna buy the car within a 2 seconds of looking at it. Like, so that's where I was getting a little bit frustrated, and I could see on the look of the guy's face, I was like, oh, I don't want to waste your time, I'm gonna come back later. He was getting a little like
Pushy.
Yeah, so I didn't want to, I honestly just was like, I'll take my business somewhere else. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're gonna have to look for another new Bronco Raptor in the area. But we're in the TRX, we're going back home. Right now I'm thinking about putting an exhaust on the TRX. Oh, there's another TRX right there, I'm getting some gas. So if you guys know any good exhaust systems that sound good on the TRX, because I know there's a few of them you can put, like the AWE, you can put the
Attack.
Yeah, the Attack, which I think I want to do. I think I want to do the Borla. I think I want to do the Borla. I am going to do the Borla. But just let me know your guys' comments or thoughts on the Bronco Raptor. But for that, I'll see you guys soon.